April 11th, 2024. I'm standing in front of the Champaign post office on Mattis Avenue, and it appears that a medevac helicopter made an emergency landing on Mattis. What's up with that? I moved in a little closer, and it turns out that helicopter is sitting on the driveway of the fire station. So I guess they just came by for lunch or something, maybe some beers. Alright, new data point. There are 3 semis on the wrong side of the road beyond the railroad tracks with their hazards on. The helicopter's on the left side of the frame there. Oh, now there's some firefighters coming out, getting into the helicopter. They've got their carry-out containers. So I guess the semis are not related to the helicopter, perhaps.